everybody, welcome back to the Hacienda. Rivet here. Today we're going to make some frugal lentils. Yes, with the continuously rising food prices, I mean the cost of food's getting ridiculous at the store. I'm going to show you how you can make something very frugal, very delicious and nutritious with just what generally the kind of stuff you have in the house. For this recipe, I have not gone out and bought anything. I've just dug around, and everything you see going into the pot we had here at home. Mrs. Rivet and I decided yesterday afternoon to make this pot of lentils. So she went down to the deep freezer in the basement and found this ham bone. It was left over from a country ham, and she put it in this crock pot and we simmered it overnight. So we have some delicious stock here already made that's going to serve as a basis for the soup. There is plenty of meaty goodness that came off that bone in the crock pot. So there's going to be quite a bit of country ham in here. So once we're bringing it back to boil, first thing we're going to add is one chopped onion, we got about a cup of diced pork jowl that was left over from the spaghetti alla carbonara that I made yesterday. We've got some, about a tablespoon or so crushed red pepper flakes and some sage. Found that in the fridge. And we're going to put in about 3 or 4 cups, I think it's a little over 3 cups, of the lentils. Alright, just stirred everything in real well. Turn down the heat to medium, and we're going to cook it like that, uncovered, for about 45 minutes. Alright, after 45 minutes, we're going to add 1 cup of hot water, the shredded carrots, the radishes, and about a tablespoon of garlic paste. Yep. And we're going to mix that in and continue to cook it covered for about another 45 minutes. Alright, 45 minutes in. It's smelling heavenly, and it's ready. So let's get some plated up. Alright, so here's a bowl full of steaming frugal goodness. Lentil stew. Smells delicious, people. Everything we had in the house, you can mix and match the ingredients that you want. Let's go ahead and give it a try. That country ham bone. Buddy. Made the best broth base. Now of course it's salty, so you noticed I didn't add any salt. Let's try this. It's got a piece of the pork jowl in there. Oh my goodness. Pork jowl and country ham taste completely different, even though they're from the same animal. Alright, now I didn't add any black pepper because of course I added the red pepper flakes, so it's right on time with that. The radishes are still sort of firm, so that's good. Tons of nutrition, and y'all know me, I love my vegetables, people. Yeah. It's hot. Radishes are just right this time of year. They're spicy, peppery, very flavorful. And strangely enough, around here we're having another week of a cold front, rain. So this is perfect. Thanks for watching.